Boosted, sort your app out, man. Hello, welcome back. Bit of a different video again. I've had a lot of questions on the Facebook page and on YouTube. My boosted rev. So, because I still don't have a helmet, I've come to some basically well out the way of traffic. It's like a little track, and what I'm going to try and do is like a range test. I'm going to stick to mode 2 just to see what that's like, because that's probably the range I'm going to use. I will do mode 1 and mode 3 as well, just bearing in mind that I am at the absolute top of the limits for the weight, shall we say, for this scooter. So it should be interesting. I've been seeing a lot of people get about sort of 10 miles, weather dependent, cameras dependent, all that sort of stuff. I'll try and get the best I can, but I'm going to take it out for a ride now. It's at 100%, and we'll see where we go from there. Cool. Right, so that's the scooter out of the boot. Yeah. Right, let's have a go. So I haven't touched it. It's going to literally be mode 2 straight away. So let's see, shall we? Doesn't seem to want to turn on. Interesting. Maybe it's just me holding it. Quite rough. And it's not working. Why is it not working? Turn it off. Turn it on again. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It's saying it's fully charged. I'm doing the throttle. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening at all. Just making a noise. This could be interesting. Oh, I've got a broken boosted board. Brilliant. Try turning it off. How interesting is that? Turn it on again. It's just showing me the battery. Now it's working. Interesting. Right, we're off mode 2. I think I might need to speak to Boosted about that. Right, so in like a little loop area. Let me set the Boosted app, shall we? So see how far I can actually go. That's very interesting, that is. Now. Okay, so you can see. Right then, Boosted app should connect straight away. It is, it's saying mode 2, it's saying I've got an estimated range of 21.2 miles at 99%. I can't see that happening, but we'll go, see what happens. Oops, speed bump. It's got a few hills, it's a little bouncy. I was going to get the drone up, but yeah, no. Sorry about that. See if it holds the speed bump okay and everything. Oh, nice. Yeah, but that is concerning. I don't know if you can hear me, but that is very concerning about it not turning on. I might need to speak to Boosted about that. So, currently saying I've done just over a mile. It's 1.4 miles, it's saying I've got about 18 left, 87%. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, happy days. Right, I'll keep going. Right, we're off. Just trying to get out of the way of people. Oh, really big speed bump. Will it bottom out? I'm not risking it. Okay, saying about 20% now, so I'm on the last little bit. Just been bombing around really. Hopefully you'll get some good footage, but I've been stopped loads of times. The app isn't working very well, so I'm guessing what the app says. It says I've done about 11 miles, but I don't believe that. I'm probably hedging more on 8 or 9 miles, but we'll see. But it's now down to 20%, well, less than 20%. So we'll just see how long it lasts till it actually dies, and then we'll look at the odometer. Tacho thingy. It hasn't slowed down yet, so I'll just tilt the camera up. Can you see? Oh, hopefully you can see all right. I'm just going around this little track, as you've probably seen. But this was nice though, getting used to the board as well. Board? I keep saying board. That's because I used to have a V2 Dual Plus, or V2 Dual. So yeah, the scooter handles lovely. I am just a little bit concerned though about that issue with starting. I'm going to email Boosted later on. I'm just going to keep talking because I don't know what audio you're picking up. And downsiders as well. I've scratched it. I went over a speed bump and scratched it. Nightmare. Oh, it's definitely slowing down though. Quite jerky as well actually when it's slowing down. It's like I don't know if you can actually see. Yeah, it's definitely dying. I don't want to get too far from the car because I'll have to push it back. Yeah, it's out of juice pretty much. But it's just literally doing that. See, it's sort of like a little jerk. Yeah, I don't know if that's common, but I've got the thumbnail pressed all the way down, look, and there you go, it's just slowing right down, slowing down. I don't even know if I'm going to make the car. Come on! Come on! Right, that'll do. Regenerative braking still works, eh? Right, let's see what the app says, shall we? 3%. It's saying 27. Now it started off at 12.3, so that's 15 miles, but I don't believe it. Don't believe it at all. the app keeps messing up. It keeps telling me to re-register my board. Yeah, I've already registered it, and then when I do try and re-register it, it says can't do it. Interesting. But yeah, I'll get back, I'll see what the footage says. Okay, interesting ride. As you've seen, I had problems starting the board. I keep saying board. Starting the scooter. Great fun, absolutely brilliant fun. However, boosted board, sort your app out. It's horrific. Keeps logging me off, keeps coming on, off. Not recognising my scooter. Needs an update, sharpish. I couldn't tell you how far I went. I'll check it all when I get home, but it was saying about 12 to 13 miles. You'll see from the footage, I went a fair way and I was on it a good hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I did stop quite a bit talking to people, but yeah, the app was ruining it today. But what a machine though. Oh, and I scraped it. But luckily I scraped it on the skid pads, not actually on the battery case or anything. So yeah, what can you do? It's going to get scraped, so I'm not losing any sleep over it. Hopefully they'll sell, like they do with the boards, they'll sell like the skid plates. I've ruined some of them on my old V2. But yeah, hopefully they'll sell them, and you know, it'll make it look nice at least. But yeah, first scratch on it, so devastated, but that's what you do over speed bumps, I suppose. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Big shout out to Alan Armasilla, is it? I can't pronounce it, apologies buddy. But yeah, thanks for all your help, glad you got your board. Great help on the Facebook page as well. Everyone's really nice on there, and everyone seems to be enjoying it. It's like I said in the unboxing video, it is the Gen 1, so there are going to be issues with it. But hopefully they'll iron them out, and we'll be golden. But yeah, great. Just the app's really ruined it today. So I'm what, £260, probably on the very limit. I'm a big chap. That was in mode 2, and that's probably the mode I'm going to use the most, to be honest. Yeah, right, I'm going to go charge it up, and then I'll do another one hopefully today. But weather's not looking great. Even though it's sunny now, it's due to rain. So, but hopefully over the next few days I'll get some more ranges in for the bigger chaps. Plus, I was wearing a backpack as well, with all my camera gear in, which probably added to it. Yeah, so like and subscribe. Hope to see you all soon. Please comment below. Anything you want to know. I know this isn't our usual video, but you know, it's different, isn't it? And that's what we're all about. So yeah, keep watching, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye bye.